Hi guys, today we thought we'd bring you something a little bit different, which is we keep showing you how to put all of this stuff on. Today we're going to show you how to take all of this stuff off. So today is Iman's regime. When she comes home from a shoot, how does she get rid of all of this makeup? So I'm going to take the lipstick off with Bioderma Sensibio H2O and some cotton buds made from paper. The next step Iman does is she uses the ordinary plant-derived Squalane, just to point out it's not apparently from sharks, this one, and she uses it to just loosen up the makeup. Then we're going to come in with the face halo and just wipe the skin clear. You can use the face halo to clean everything, just not lipstick so much. Kind of stains it. But it's just a gentler way of getting your skin clean than crazy scrubbing. For the eyes, you hold the face halo just against the eye makeup for a little extra. We're gonna now come in with Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I'm not going to attack her eyes too much. Oh, this is not the foaming one, huh? But you can still wipe this off. So I don't know if many people know this about me outside of my salon, but I've had a lot of years doing facials, and I'm a Dermalogica junkie. And I think there's something so amazing, especially when you're starting a makeup. With a nervous bride, I'll always, when I'm putting the moisturizer, I'll just try and calm them down. Not that I can reach you so well here. It's just nice to just take the tension out of your mouth, tension out of your face. And when I would give facial massages, so if you're going to clean your face off, you may as well give yourself a little self-care. I like to turn my bathroom experiences into like music and candles. So my favorite thing when I used to do facials, of course I used to be standing from behind, but I bet you I can do it from in front too. is to just open out the brows, because you're looking down at that phone all the time. And just slowly, gently, don't press too hard, just stroke your eyeballs. It seems like a weird thing to say, but you tell me. These muscles are tired. Once the face halo has done most of the work, you can just tidy up with your Bioderma. I just really soak the lashes. So this is something I have to do for most clients when they come, because they've kind of usually been married the day before or had a mehndi the day before. So you just gently just stroke the roots of the lash. If you're rough taking off your eye makeup, you can give yourself a style, because you create little breaks in the bases of your lashes. And those are not great for you.
I didn't know that.
That's why you should never double mascara. Yeah, you put mascara in the morning and at the night. Over that, close. Because it creates a break like this. It's overloaded. There's nothing in the base of the lash. And then mascara, and then you double load that. It just breaks the lash. You can also get it from, of course. The next thing Iman does is she puts on HadaLabo, what is it?
Medicated skin conditioner.
Okay. Iman has got Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream. Since Iman has now put snail goo all over her face, I'm too freaked out, and I'm going to put her CeraVe Essay Lotion for rough and bumpy skin on top with a brush. And then last but not least, a little Kiehl's lip balm. So now the product is beginning to go into Iman's skin. Clean, shiny little girl. And that's how you get from this to no makeup at all. Thank you so much for joining us.